Today we're doing some decorating with the help of our new Adjustable Airbrush Compressor Kit. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. You just need some paint to spray and thinner to thin it. Inside the box, you have your instructions, power cable, an air hose, a little cappy, a cleaning kit, different size needles and nozzles, an oil water separator, wrench and dropper, your airbrush, and then your compressor. To get started, screw the air hose onto the compressor until it's nice and tight. Then you can either screw the other end directly to the air sprayer or onto the oil water separator, depending on what your project calls for. If you're using the oil water separator, screw that down, then screw the airbrush on top of that. Plug in the power cable, then grab your paint. You'll want to thin your paint quite a bit, so make sure that you use a lot of paint thinner and mix that up. Then pop off your airbrush cap and then pour in the paint. Then you can push the button directly down and air will come out. Then if you pull the trigger back, liquid will spray out. Unlike a big paint sprayer, this is for more detailed work. You can do small lines and add little designs here and there. We tested it a bit and it was a lot of fun. Obviously, my art needs a little work, but this was a nice test and gave me a good idea of what I can do with this. Not only is it good for painting, but you can use this for makeup or even cake decoration. But for me, I'm gonna practice with this a bit more. So if you're looking to get your decoration on, this airbrush compressor kit might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go plan my next painting with my cool new airbrush. See ya!